This demonstration introduces Motion Monitor's stereoscopic capture capabilities. Upon opening, Motion Monitor automatically detects all connected cameras. In this case, two Galileo 5K cameras are opened sequentially. To synchronize the cameras, Genlock is activated by pressing the M/S button. In this mode, the S camera follows the M camera. The 3D stereo window is activated. Standard 3D display formats are available: anaglyph color, anaglyph blue, side by side, top and bottom, and others. Alignment parameters can be adjusted independently for each camera: pan, tilt, zoom, pitch, and yaw. Using red-blue glasses, the alignment is verified. The ready button triggers acquisition. Both cameras acquire synchronized frames at the set frame rate and duration. Motion Monitor plays back dual slow-motion videos instantly after acquisition. The footage can be viewed in any 3D display format and exported using industry-standard codecs. H.264 is selected here. The exported clip now plays in a separate window while live feeds from both cameras appear in the main interface alongside the dual playback. All 4 video streams run smoothly, demonstrating Motion Monitor's real-time performance. New captures can be triggered at any time without interrupting any of these operations. Motion Monitor delivers complete control over stereoscopic high-speed imaging from capture to export.